Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing something very different than makeup or hair or talking skincare or anything like that. We're going to talk about nails. I think that is probably one of the most awesome skills that I picked up in 2018. Actually, I think it was the end of 2018. So I've been doing my own nails for like a year and a half now, and it was such a challenge in the beginning. I used acrylic, which is monomer and a powder that you mix together to form that harder gel-like substance that forms like so fast. So you have to be quick because your nail does form very quickly, so you have to learn to be fast. And it was a challenge. I definitely spent a lot of time filing because I wasn't that great in the beginning, and so it was bumpy and all this stuff. Then I found poly gel, which I've talked about in my best and worst purchases of 2019. That finding poly gel was amazing because that already comes in that gel substance and it doesn't harden until you cure it in a UV light. For Christmas though, I was gifted this little, oops, this isn't the one. This is the one. This is by Lavender Violets. It's a dip nail powder kit. This one comes in 3 different shades, and I did do a poll on Facebook and I asked you guys, 4 different shades actually. So you have a shimmery silver, shimmery black, shimmery white, and a shimmery gold. I did a poll with you guys on Facebook and I asked you which color I should do, and a lot of you guys said shimmery white or shimmery silver. There's a lot of gold as well. Then some of you said to do silver with like white as an accent or vice versa, and I really loved all of your guys' ideas. I think I might do that, do like a white accent or a silver accent. We shall see. It has 4 steps, so we're gonna do this for the first time ever together. I am gonna go grab like my nail kit because I do want to glue on tips to extend my nails because I really like a longer shape. I like the square or coffin, so I'll probably do one of those. I'm hoping that this is gonna be even easier than doing gel and that this is gonna be even more of a time saver. So excited to try this out. I also got the foil kit for Christmas, so stay tuned. I wanted to throw this in here and mention this because we're gonna try out this very soon, and this comes with like all these really beautiful foils. That also looks super awesome. Hopefully soon we'll get to experiment with that because I've heard such good things. Okay, without further ado, we're gonna switch over to my YouTube studio and start filming this. I hope it goes well. I hope you guys love it. I hope I love it. See you guys in a bit. Don't forget to subscribe too if you haven't already. We would love to have you part of our YouTube family, our Faith Squad here on YouTube. We have a fun time exploring different beauty products and nail products and hair and just all the things. So hope to see you guys back here Monday, Wednesday, Fridays at 11 a.m. Pacific time. All right, let's dip into this and see what it looks like. I haven't even opened it. I mostly want to know if I need a UV light. I don't need a UV light? Seriously? How easy is this? And look, if you want to do a French tip, all you have to do is just paint. This looks so easy. I'm so glad because I really don't have very much time today. This is awesome. Okay, so it says prep the nail by filing it. We're also going to go glue on tips, so I hope that isn't going to cause an issue. Push back the cuticle, remove shine from the natural nail. Like I just said, file it. Use a brush to remove the dust. I actually have a brush. You guys, if I'm gonna do something, I get so into it. So I'm like, I wanna just get all of it. So I even got one of the fancy little like brushes. Oh, and side note, I know my hair was straight a second ago. I filmed another video where I put tinsel in my hair. So if you wanna see that one, that is up and available. So I hope you guys enjoy that video too. Okay, I'll be right back. I need to go get my supplies. So everything that I have, I did get on Amazon, so I should be able to give you guys all direct links. We're going to use some nail glue. We have a variety of tips for my fingers so I can shape them. We have a little like super nail cutter for the tips, a file, and I have this little kit that comes with basically everything I need to trim my nails. So let's get started with that. I think we'll just start with filing down my nail first. I haven't had false nails on for probably about 2 weeks, I think. So they've been healing. They feel a lot stronger. So I'm really thankful for that. Oh, I forgot my little fluff puff, but that's okay. We can grab it later maybe. Fluff off the powder from my nails. So here we have our buffed nails. They are ready for tips to be applied. So there's 9 different sizes for the tips. So depending on your finger shape, you want to just match it up. That one's a little bit big. It's a little bit small. So this one fits my pointer finger pretty well, but it's just a little tiny bit too big on the edges. So I'm just gonna file it just on the sides a bit so it will fit the finger. Then you just take the glue and you put just a bit. Sorry, the glue had like hardened inside the little hole, so I just had to poke a needle to get it free. But you just put a little bit right along where the tip is going to go, and then just press that onto the finger. Okay, I'm gonna do that on all the rest of the fingers, and then we'll be back. Okay, so now we need to trim them before I can do my other hand. Sometimes if I want them really short, then I just will put them flush against the finger. If I want it a little longer, I'll pull it out just a little bit. Again, you could do longer, or you could just leave it like crazy long. That would totally be up to you. For this video, I think we're going to do not the shortest. We're gonna go just a little bit longer. So we'll go to like right here. It's almost a little bit too long, so I'm gonna go just a little shorter. Okay, so I think that length is pretty good. It's okay that it's not like super straight because we're going to file it down some more. So I'm going to just do that with all the rest. Okay, so now we can do the other hand. And I'm just going to file them so they're perfectly exactly how I would want them. We're going to just do a square shape today. When you're filing your nails, you want to make sure that you don't just file them like looking at them like this. You want to make sure to turn your hand around and be filing it this way as well. Because sometimes when you're looking at it like this, it looks straight. Then you turn it around and you're like, huh, it's a little crooked. So just make sure you're double checking and looking at all angles. I have the little gold tinsel in my hair, so I think we'll do the gold, but maybe we'll do a white accent finger. A lot of you guys talked about me doing white nails, so I think we'll do mostly gold, but white. Oops, we didn't push back cuticles. All right, cuticles have been removed, so let's go ahead and apply number 1. This is the base coat. And then it says to dip this into the desired color, which we're going to do gold. There's gonna be glitter everywhere. You can tell where I missed a spot of the base coat. You can see on the sides. I forgot it on the sides. Yeah, we're gonna just have to be more careful. It says tap off excess and then you apply the base coat again. It has like gold glitter on the brush of the base coat now though. Okay, I dipped it in, tapping it off again. So this is the 2 coats. It's so sparkly, but there's definitely gold glitter on the base now. When I go to do the silver or when I go to do the white or something, like, won't gold get on it? You know? I'm gonna apply the activator to this really quick, which is number 2. This one right here, this is number 2. Okay, activator has been applied and it says to allow that to air dry. All right, so while that's air drying, I'm just gonna do the other 3 nails that we talked about. I'm gonna try to be really careful with this one. That one looks good. So then the activator, I'm gonna apply that to the middle finger and the ring finger and also the thumb. You guys, I really hope that this turns out because I do not have time to fix this. It says to let that air dry and then file, shape, and buff. I do have a buffer, so I'm gonna just file it first. And I just like filing it on the top, reshaping it because it got a little thick on like the tip. I need to go get my buffer, so we're gonna buff it and then apply the activator step 2 again. Okay. We're buffing. Okay, activator. That is the coolest thing. Once you apply the activator again, it like gets kind of sparkly. I hope that the top coat makes it like really sparkle because this is kind of more of like a dull sparkle, like it's packed on a little bit too much, if that makes sense. So now let's do the top coat with quick, thin strokes. There's a brush saver. The top coat makes it shine. It is like seriously uncovering a rare gemstone. Look at my thumb compared to my other fingers. See how dull the top one is here? And then this one, I just put the top coat on and it's like shiny. Ow! That hurt. It looks like warped on my finger. You guys, that was freaky. Okay, so you don't need a UV light for this, and I feel like it must be like a chemical type of a thing because it was burning. And then I looked at it and it had like kind of wrinkled up, and maybe I put too much of a thick layer on, but that was really painful. So I'm gonna just be really fast on my pinky and just, I guess, be more careful. I mean, I don't feel any heat from that one. Okay, then it says to apply another top coat and air dry for 2 minutes, and then it's done. So I'm just gonna apply that and top coat, do the white on my nails. I'll show you the white when I'm done, and then I'll show you the final look on all my fingers. This definitely took a little bit of time. This was the first time we were doing it, so it was definitely a learning curve. I can't say that I really love the white. I would have preferred just all gold, but I did want to also point out that like there's a little brush saver thing. We kind of figured that out like halfway through. You can clean the brushes really easily, so that way if they have sparkles on it like this one does, you can just like dip it in the cleaner and it like cleans it out, so that way they won't carry on to the other glitters. I think this is actually like a super awesome kit. I accidentally broke the brush to the top coat. That top coat is really interesting. I feel like that's like a super strong chemical. You have to be careful, and since I broke the brush, I just went and grabbed like another little brush that I had, and that worked fine, but it gets stiff really easy, so it hardens if you don't have the cap on. So I would definitely recommend like keeping it closed as much as possible. And also I have so much glitter underneath my nails, it's like ridiculous. If I had time, I would take the Dremel and use like a fine tip and go under and just like clear that out, but I think they're super pretty. The white surprised me because it's more of just like a cloudy white, but I still think it's pretty. So this is what my nails look like when they're all finished. I do like them. I think I would have gone without the white, but I still think they're super awesome. Anyways, I hope you guys get a chance to try this out. I think this is actually fantastic, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of time on your nails, because once you would get this down, I feel like you could get through the process super fast. Definitely faster than doing gel. I'm about to redo my nails, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I still really love the coloring. Hold on, it's not focusing for some reason. Focus. It's better. Okay, so I really love the color. I forgot to put a top coat on this one, and it's growing in very like sharp along the edges. It keeps getting caught on my hair. I don't know if you can even see, but there's like a little bit of a lip at the bottom right there. 2 of them did break when I was scuba diving, so I just peeled them off when I got home, so I need to redo those. But otherwise, they're super sturdy and they've stayed on very well. And you don't need as much of a precise technique and as much patience really to get it done. So I would recommend these. I think it'd be fun to get these in more colors. Super excited to try the black and silver, and it would be so easy to do like French tips with these. So easy, because all you do is paint on the base coat and it only sticks to where the base coat is. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a great rest of your evening. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you back on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. So I just grabbed the kit here. We're going to redo my 2 nails that fell off, and then I'm also going to just file it around the cuticle. Super casual today. I'm still super sick, so I haven't been wearing makeup or really putting too much effort into anything, but I do really want to redo my nails because 1 or 2 of them are missing. So yeah, my energy is coming back today, so this is what we're doing. It's not going to take super long, I don't think, so I think this is a perfect project for today. The end results of my nails, they're so pretty and sparkly. Love them. So I have another quick little update, like note I wanted to talk about with the nails. Like, this kit is so easy to use. Like, I don't think you need to be like a nail professional to be able to use this. The only thing is it's not going to be able to really come out perfect, I don't think, because it's still like, it's bumpy. And look, you guys, the silver is so pretty. I'm really loving the silver. I just think it's gorgeous. I don't think that it's ever going to be able to really come out perfect. The top coat especially really does like kind of tingle in your nose, like it is irritating. Seems like it's a really strong chemical, and it hardens very quickly. You cannot leave that paintbrush out. I told you guys I accidentally destroyed the paintbrush on mine. It like got hardened at the top, so I couldn't really paint it, which was then causing even more ridges in the fingernail. So I got a different paintbrush and was using that instead. You can clean it really easy in like the paintbrush cleaner tube thing that they give you, but beware, it definitely does harden very quickly, so do that step fast. But I do think that it works, and it's so sparkly and pretty. Bye guys. Mwah.